So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you build a URL shortener using Flask. So firstly let's open our VS Code. Okay, we will open our desired folder by going here, and then you can just open your desired folder and then create a new file like named as main.py or url.py. Now you have to import Flask. From Flask, import Flask, and then you will require redirect and request. Okay, these will be the things you will be needing. Now you have to import random and import string. Okay, now you have to create your app instance, app equals Flask, and name this app, double underscore, name. This one. And then what you have to do is, you have to create a URL file. Not URL file, basically URL dictionary. URL equals this one. Okay, and then you have to create some routes. First route will be app.route, and then this one slash. Here method will be get. We will be using get method here. You have to create a function inside this fhome. Okay, this will return a HTML content. Return. This will return a HTML content. We will hardcode it here. We will be using a h2 tag. H2 tag. URL shortener. Okay, and then close this one. We have to create a form inside this now. Form action equals slash shorten. This will hit this particular route. Okay, then what you have to do is the method will be post here. You have to define the method here. Method equals post. And then this one. Okay, you have to define the long URL here. Input name equals URL, small URL. Okay, and then input type will be submit. Type equals submit. So we are almost done with this particular route. Okay, now we have to create a generate code function here, which will generate our shorten URL. Generate code underscore code. We will be passing a length here equals to 5. Length equals 5. Okay, then we will write the logic inside this. This will return this one dot join random choices random dot choices and then string in brackets string with sky values sky letters plus string with digits plus string dot digits comma length equals k equals length, sorry, k equals length. Len g t and h. Okay, so we are done with the function creating. So now we have to define some basic routes also. Just like we have to define this particular route, that is shorting. Add app.route. We have to define the shorten route here. With methods equal post. In square brackets. Here also in square brackets. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to define a function inside this def shorten. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to get the long URL from this particular form. Long URL equals request.form with this particular thing URL. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to generate this particular shorten code for this. Okay, code equals, you have to call this function generate code and you have to pass nothing here, just simply call this one. Then you have to map the this particular generated code to this particular long URL. Okay, we will be using key as code will be the key here, and long URL will be the answer here. Long URL. Now what you have to return is return if short URL with an anchor tag. href equals slash code slash and then code. We have to get this value from here. Okay, and now what we will do is we will just simply close this one and we will go to localhost. We can just simply type localhost or https colon slash slash and then 127, which is the address of localhost dot 0.0.1 colon 5000, which is the port for a Flask. colon 5000. Okay, then slash code. And now we can close our anchor tag. Slash a. Okay. We have to do one thing here. We will just simply type href equals, not in this one, but in this one. And then what you have to do is you can just simply close here, this one. Okay. Now we have to create one more route at app.route. Slash code route because we are going here. You can see that. Now we have to define the logic for this particular route. For that, what we will do is firstly we will create a route and then get a value of code. Then we have to create a function inside this which will be used for redirecting us to the particular destination URL. Redirect to URL. Redirect to URL. Okay, because this was a function, you have to use this. Now, if code, we have to check that if this particular variable is in URL dictionary or not. In URLs, we have defined it as URL, not URLs. Okay, if code in URLs, then what you have to do is return redirect, redirect, and then you have to redirect it at code of URL. That is the value of this one. Now what you have to do is you have to get this code actually here. This was the resolution for that warning. So if this does not executes, then what you have to do is return URL not found 404 with an error. URL not found and give the error code 404. Okay, we are almost done. Now what you have to do is you have to simply just save this file. This will get auto formatted because I am using black inside this, and run this program now. Okay, we have forgot to add one thing, that is if name equals main. If name, this one, double equals double underscore main, and then colon, what you have to do is this is in strings, this particular thing. Okay, if name equals main, then you have to call the main function. Sorry, not main function, actually app.run debug equal true. Since we are in development environment, so we are using debug equal true. Okay, just save this and now run this. You have to copy this address, and then what you have to do is you have to open your required browser. I will be using Brave. You can just paste it here. Let me check what's the error. Okay, sorry guys. Actually, I've closed my terminal. Close my program. Okay, now I go here again. You can see this. You have to type the long URL here. I will be using http:// www.youtube.com. This one. Submit. Okay, let me check what's the error. Okay guys, there is some basic syntax errors in my code. Uh, Firstly, what you have to do is you have to make sure that it is letters, and then method will be post, which is almost correct. Then what you have to check for is uh, that you have closed the form tag here properly. Okay, so now let's save this one and run this again, this one, and submit. You can see that you have got your shorten URL and it is being redirected to YouTube. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.